November 223 Foxtrot Papa, contact Bangor, approach 118.902.
1892 Foxtrot Papa, goodbye, thank you. Bangor approach, good evening, November 223 Foxtrot Papa, cleared down to 11,000 feet, information Yankees. Request direct to the airport, left visual approach, 33 please.
For 223 Foxtrot Papa, Bangor approach, Bangor altimeter 3052, turn 5 degrees right, vector for the visual approach, runway 33, you're going to be number 2 to the field.
Number 2 to the field, and 5 right. Say again the altimeter please for Foxtrot Papa.
Number 3 Foxtrot Papa, Bangor altimeter 3052.
3052 is the altimeter, I'm turning now 5 right, vectors, visual approach, 33.
Bangor approach, good evening, M5 1548, 5000, checking in.
M5 1548, Bangor approach, Bangor altimeter 3052, expect a visual approach, runway 33.
I expect visual 33 and 52, M5 1548.
November 223 Foxtrot Papa, descend to maintain 4000.
Continue descent 4000, 3052, November Foxtrot Papa.
M-Flight 1548, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 3000.
Alright, out of 3000, Alpha 1548.
4000, sir. Oh, 10,000 feet, lights are on.
And I got a field of sight for M-Flight 1548.
M-Flight 1548, roger, cleared, visual approach, runway 33, do you recall the bases?
Yeah, the bases, I snuck onto them. They were around, they're about 3,100, 3,200.
M-Flight 1548, roger, thank you. Number 223 Foxtrot Papa, did you catch that? Would you also like the visual approach?
Terminate the visual as well, copy the weather information.
Number 3 Foxtrot Papa, roger, descend and maintain 3000.
Set 3000, Foxtrot Papa, thank you. 3000 set.
Number 3 Foxtrot Papa, turn 10 degrees right, back for sequence.
10 right, November Foxtrot Papa.
Caravan 223 Foxtrot Papa, say current heading.
I apologize, heading is 045, the heading for Foxtrot Papa.
Number 3 Foxtrot Papa, roger, turn right heading up 065 please.
Right 065, November Foxtrot Papa. Right 065. Thousand feet.
Caravan 3 Foxtrot Papa, descend to maintain 2,500, advise whenever you're clear in the clouds.
2,500, advise clear of clouds, yeah, I'm breaking off now, and I will report the field inside next. I have the field inside, request left visual approach for 33 via the left base.
Caravan 3 Foxtrot Papa, roger, traffic you're following is a beach airliner. They're at your 12 o'clock in 4.5 miles, about to turn northbound now at 1,700.
Traffic is on sequence behind, and clear for the visual approach, 33, thank you.
Number 3 Foxtrot Papa, yep, clear for the visual approach, runway 33, follow that traffic, and contact tower 120.7, good day.
Follow the traffic, clear for the visual 33, at the tower now 120.7, thanks again, bye. Good evening, November 223 Foxtrot Papa, number 2 on the visual approach, runway 33.
November 223 Foxtrot Papa, Bangor Tower, wind 050 at 9er, runway 33, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 33, November Foxtrot Papa, thank you. Two on 2 checks. Lights on.
Here 901, leaving Mike Bangor Tower, roger, hold short runway 33.
Okay, hold short of 33, 901 Mike.
Maneuver 3, Foxtrot Papa traffic will depart prior to arrival via King Air.
Copy that. About 3 minutes to touchdown, Foxtrot Papa.
Flight 1548, turn right at Kilo, taxi to the ramp, Alpha Bravo, monitor ground point 9.
Right, Kilo Alpha Bravo, monitor ground, Alpha 1548.
King Air 901, leaving Mike, wind 040 at 8, runway 33, clear for takeoff. On the go, you can make right close traffic.
Okay, clear for takeoff, right close traffic, 901 Mike.
Both flaps. The craft is now nicely aligned on the glide path.
Wind 040 at 8.
Thank you.
500.
Aircraft ready for landing.
Minimums.
Continue.
And tower 901 Lima, turning right downwind, runway 23.
Air 901, leaving Mike, roger, wind 050 at 7, runway 33, clear for the option.
Okay, clear for the option, 901 Mike.
Air 3, Foxtrot Papa, you can make the right at Kilo, taxi to the ramp, Alpha Bravo, monitor ground point 9. Have a good night.
Kilo Alpha Bravo and monitor ground on point 9. Good night and thank you. Foxtrot Papa. Aircraft quick stop, flaps go reset.